Hello Earth, welcome to episode 17 of season 4 of Making Cell, a series of videos where I record myself designing and implementing a programming environment called Cell. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I recommend you go check out github.com/autocodenl/cell, which is the page that explains the project. So I'm pasting now the link in the description. We were fixing put, which is getting stuck. The rewrite of put, as you can see. And the issue is at the very bottom of the test suite, which is encouraging, of course, because it means that we're not far. I was doing a couple of silent episodes over the weekend, but now I'm at liberty to speak to the microphone. Not the good microphone, but the one that is right in front of me. So let me just remember where we are. Yeah, the issue is in this one. If I do something like no, it would be something else, then it would stop. Nope. Already this one is so this one is the one that doesn't work. I'm already doing that and it's already getting stuck. So yeah, I need to understand what's being put. This is supposed to be the valid one. So we have that one, that one. So I have 7 tests. This is the first one of the non-trivial sequence tests that fail. I am also a bit itchy, metaphorically speaking, in that I have refactored things, but I haven't updated the annotated source code. So we should definitely do it this episode. But we're almost there. Yeah. So yeah, where's the issue? Now this is an interesting thing. Yeah, comparing. Oops, sorry. What's going on? So comparing. So I would like to look at this first. Definition. So the definition is stable. It's yeah, first step is add +1 add int. Yeah, you're summing add int to 1. That's perfect. Was it SEQ or is it dual? I can't remember. I'll make it SEQ here. I wonder if I need the dot here, or I should get rid of the dot. Now that I think about it. Yeah. No, I'm not going off so easily. Urgency. So let me think. we? So what I would like to look at is the logs the first time that we run this. Basically, you need to stop the code. So in this case, why do I get int 10? That's like, where is the 10 coming from? Ah, it's from the call, right? Yeah. Weapon. Gun. Sorry. And it happens to be, okay, the message is 10 because I'm calling it with 10. Perfect. The previous message is nothing. So here I'm comparing the messages. That's fine. What I can do is something. So I can run this twice. So I'm calling the same thing. It's like I'm not setting the thing properly, the argument properly, right? That looks like it. Yeah, maybe that dot is unnecessary. No. Yeah, basically it's the entire previous expansion. At 11, which is, yes, that's correct. The expansion is there. This one actually can do it pretty. I guess I could do this with pretty too. Previous expansion is there's nothing, right? Yeah. If I do that, look at this stuff. What the hell is this? This is wrong. So that's just wrong. So here we're fine. Here we're not. Look at this. Why are we setting this 10 there? It's just ridiculous. It's completely broke. So this message is being put if I put a dot again, I mean, I will still have to fix this because yeah, it's still there. Although it's only one of them, but still. How am I allowing that? That makes zero sense. Like the put should never allow this at all. Maybe I can have to check that the top level is not why is it putting a 10 like that? Yeah, because I'm just call cell put from there. Yeah, this is dangerous. Yeah, I am not validating the data space because I'm making it internally consistent. But how can this even be? This is not internally consistent at all. Ah, because I'm validating it. Okay. Okay, so that's just wrong. But I don't want to validate in cell put because it's already validated in the outside. Although I need to check that I'm not sending, let's say, well, I could technically overwrite everything, right? Yeah, I need to see that test, that special case. Actually, you know what? Let's do it right now. I'm gonna make a mark here with Vim. And if I do sorry. So let's just put here a list. Tag overwrite enter data space with a single number. Ah, interesting. Look, it's clashing with the dialog. So I guess I need to forbid really to do that. I need to forbid overwriting the entire data space because we already need some stuff there. And also we have the not that suppressing. Yeah, that we need to do. paths length 0. What am I doing? Paths. Yeah, that's a good one. This is not Buckingham Palace. I guess I could do something like if paths length actually I don't need that. I do not need that. It will be slower. Deal with it. Nice. Okay. Good corner case there. But now let's make the count variable, which is very temporary, of course. Sorry, why am I doing things wrong? The count starts at 1, and then I increment. Yes. Let's do it like monkeys do. Expansion is at always return. Okay, I now need it like this. Apparently. Okay, that's the data space. The expansion should be at 11. That's the definition. That's a message. Okay, previous message is not there. So the second time, how is this possible? Yeah, this is completely wrong, of course. I need to do this, of course. Would be I need to put things at colon, message name. That's it. No. Okay, I was trying to get somewhere. No, I need a dot. There's no way around it. Yeah, it has to be initialized, right? Okay, we're getting somewhere now. Yeah, this is absolutely silly what I'm doing here. Okay, it starts to be good. Okay, still Stack Overflows. So let's just single step it again. Yeah, this is what I understand. Why is it wrapped? Ah, because I need to concat the path, of course. Yes. This looks correct to me. This also looks very correct to me. If we do a few. Are we past that point? Yes, we are. To get through the day, yeah. Yeah, when is it that this skips one step? Yeah, we're still stuck at the same example. Well, it's the first sequence, right, that we're executing properly, so I guess it makes sense. It would be so easy if I broke it, it wouldn't give any trouble. Yes, see? Oh, we're getting there, we're almost there, I think, honestly. Here again. Yeah, let's do a comparison here, right? Yes, the previous step is not getting like a machinery. Ah, there's no number in the sequence. Look at that, right? Yep. Yeah. Nope. And if we use a stripper here, we're almost there. I see one. Yeah. Why am I doing? Ah, yeah. Of course. Sorry. La 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 la. What is this? Call. Where is this coming from? I really don't know where it's coming from at all, this call. Oh, wait. We made it. This example is working, right? Okay, that one is working. That one is working. And if I would do something else here, like this, it will work. All right, that's good to know. Is this also working? Yeah, that's also working. This one is the one that gets stuck. Nice. Yeah, because do is assuming that there's a list, right? Tell my soul to him. I think this is a mixture of things. this one. Why did I do def here? Oh yeah. Yeah, I need to wipe here again. Great. But why, if I'm not wiping, am I generating an issue here? Because I'm putting a call that has add do and add def. That should be forbidden, right? Ooh, that's an interesting one. You cannot have an add do. You can only have one call after an add. You cannot have this. Yeah, I never thought of that shit. Okay, we're do I really want to do this? Was this a good idea to have this idea 15 years ago? Yes, yes, it was a great idea. It was a great idea, of course. Of course. So you don't wipe, you're just gonna forbid it. Where are you gonna forbid it? You need to forbid it when you have a what? An add respond, right? Nice corner case. It would be put multi-love do this if this would be an okay, but then okay, wise guy, what are you getting here? You're gonna get this error, only one call. Per prefix is allowed. And then this is the beauty of it. You can have this. No. On the ultra. Yeah. What's your problem? There. Nope. But you don't give in. So wait, this is perfectly possible. Dun, 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 dun. This looks good to me. Maybe I left something broken below. All right. Perfect. Was that it? I wasn't setting properly then. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, I'm silly here. Down Barrow Highway. The meaning. Look alive. Make us a highway. Yeah. Read this. Yeah, so it goes here. Live. Highway. Multiple calls. Yeah. If yeah, that's a tricky one. I can make it true or undefined. I want more. Can't you see? Get so blue. I'm just a fool. Yeah. All the world and you. Yeah. What do they call this path? It's a horrible name. Why is the data space like that? Oh, the slide. Yeah, exactly. Ah. They divide. Okay, better. Employee gets. Is it comparing against itself? Yeah. I need feedback. Yeah, why am I assuming P1? That's just stupid, like really stupid, right? Absolutely. It will be the same. What is it, 1? Tonality. No, it's +1. Right? Dun, 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 dun. No, sorry. So def mouse app is already that one, so I need +1 indeed. I'm just comparing it against itself, right? Now I get stuck. Yeah, small too. Yeah, I can only put if. Got my resume. Yeah. I think I need to do it like this. Multiple calls. Taka taka taka. Taka taka taka. Why did it work? Resume. I'll still get stuck here. Oof, it's a bit of a grind, this one, huh? Yeah. Yeah, why is it oscillating? Yeah, I think I had an instance of this before. I can make something. No. Yeah, why is it undoing it? Dun, dun. Why does it even get called? This check is failing. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, the problem is that yeah. Honestly, I don't need the prefix to compute this. I can actually. This is tricky because I'm mixing relative and absolute paths here. That's the problem that I'm having here. That's what's making it so difficult to reason about this stuff. I think I'm gonna stop here. Thank you for watching.